Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing gel nails at home. For this DIY, I'm using the Sensational Gel product. It comes with various types of gel nails, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you that you can also use regular nail polish. And since this is the quarantine, we're using what we have. I've already soaked my hands for 15 minutes in warm water, and here I am pushing back my cuticles because I want to make sure I have a clear nail bed. After that, I'm going through and just filing my nails and just getting the shape that I'm looking for. Today I'm doing something a little bit different than what I normally do, so we'll see how that works out. After I do that, I am going to use a little bit of alcohol since I don't have any gel cleanser on hand to make sure that I am starting with a completely clean nail. You can use gel cleanser if you have that on hand, but I don't, so that's why I'm using alcohol. I'm going to get the gel primer and I'm going to make sure that I'm applying one layer sparingly on the nail, but making sure to cap it. And I'm going to do that on all nails. Then here I'm going to use this particular color and I'm going to just use that. Now this is a gel nail polish and I'm making sure that I'm capping the nail when I do that. So you can use any type of nail polish that you wish, but there's a little bit different application that goes with a polish that is not a gel nail polish. What you're going to do is you'll do it just like you're doing here, but you're going to put the polish on your nail like normal. You do how many coats you need and then you cap it with the actual gel nail top coat. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going through and doing the top coat on all of my nails, and then I'm going to put it in for 30 seconds and then I'm going to let it go out, and then I'm putting it in for another 30 seconds to make sure I cure it. Then here I'm going to take alcohol again and I'm wiping off that film that's on my nail. I grabbed the Sally Hansen nail effects over the Christmas holiday. They're very easy to use. You pretty much just use them as a sticker and you're going to rub them on and then you will pull them right off. All you're going to do is grab it, and there's two pieces to it, so you want to make sure you pull off both parts and separate that. That's your sticker that you're going to put on your nail. Once you get it placed, you want to just buff it in. So you're going to rub it in and make sure that you are adhering the nail polish to your actual nail. You're going to file it and then remove the excess, and after that you're going to grab the top coat and you're going to coat it just like you do the other gel nails and stick it in for another 30 seconds. Grab your cleanser or your alcohol and you're done.
As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at Ellie Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below, and until next time, be inspired.